Hello everyone and welcome back to the Carghost channel. I hope you had a beautiful holiday season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from me. I have not uploaded because I was quite busy during the holiday season, and also I have planned and scripted this video for the past 2 months, and I decided to just wing it, the intelligent adult me. So today is a very special day, a very special reveal for me, because we're finally revealing the new Carghost car, and it is in fact a 200 miles per hour car. That was not a clickbait. You can see it right there. This is my new to me 2005 CL55 AMG, and well, there is quite a lot wrong with it, but it only costed me $3,000. And well, let's hear it cold start first. I took that clip a few minutes ago when I was bringing it from the 5th level to the 6th level of the Borgata Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City, and we'll get back to the video. Sounds nice, doesn't it? So this is the CL55 with a 5.4 liter supercharged M113K engine, and this is very windy here. So let's go around the car. I want to show you a little bit of it, and then we're gonna take it probably downstairs to a different level after I take a few pictures, and we can go around the car a little bit. What a beauty. What a beauty. Okay, so we had to come down here in one of the levels of the garage in Borgata, because it's a lot less windy and we can actually hear each other. Now, I love this body style for the pillarless windows right here. This gotta be my favorite style CL, because it is gorgeous. First of all, this example, for example, and yes, I did buy this color only to match the windows of the Borgata Hotel, Casino and Spa. Yeah, just kidding. But it is a very nice color. I think it's called Desert Silver. That's what the code is. So what I'm fascinated is this lack of pillar right here. And I know all CLs have pillarless windows, but I just love this body style the most. It's called the W215. And is the S-Class Coupe. Now, these cars were north of $100,000 when they came to market, and to snag one of these for $3,000, even though yes, this is a salvage title, it was flooded, but for those of you who know Mercedes-Benz, all you need to do is swap the computer and the fuse box, and they're all good to go. Now, being over $100,000 means that the car had a lot of technology for its time, which means there is a lot of weak points and a lot of points that can break after a certain amount of time. and one of which is the suspension, which can cost you more than $10,000 to repair. But we're gonna go into everything that is wrong with this car in the next video. Well, no, the next video we're reviewing a nice Evo 9 of a friend of mine, but the video following that will reveal all the things that are wrong, all the things that I fixed, and all the things that I am going to fix next on this car. Also, maybe we can go over some of the first modifications that we're gonna do to the car, just so you guys know what the project is and get as excited as I am about it. Now, this car is not 100%, but me, being the responsible adult, decided the right thing to do, the most intelligent thing to do, and I took it on a 140-mile road trip. Quack, quack, quack. But it performed all right. You know, there are a few noises from the engine bay that I need to address. I think some of the pulleys have to be replaced and other stuff, but that's gonna come in the, not the next, but the video after. I really hope you guys are excited about this project, because this is just the announcement of it, and a lot more will come in the next episodes. Also, it's probably gonna break my bank, so if you hit the like button, I won't be mad at all. Also, subscribe and hit the notification bell to follow the project. As I said, this is gonna probably break my bank, so I may have to let one of the projects go. I don't know if it's gonna be Slate, probably, or maybe just put it on hold, but hey, I don't know, right? It's been a crazy holiday season and I still don't have money for the rent, so, well, financially sound, intelligent adult with an AMG, all money gone. Guys, stay tuned for the next video where we are gonna review a sick Evo 9, and then afterwards I'm gonna get you up to speed with what's wrong, what's gonna be repaired, what's gonna be modified on this car. Super excited. Have a great day. Bye.